Hello, my craft friends from STO Handmade Craft Spot. Today, I want to talk to you about the beginning series that I'm getting ready to start on wire wrapping. I've started this journey because I knew that you could wire wrap clay just as well as you could if you were wire wrapping a gemstone. The clay cabochon had to be the right weight and the right consistency so that it didn't crack or break. And so at first I would ask other fellow clay artists if they would wire wrap pieces for me because I was still learning how to wire wrap a bit, and I wasn't as confident at that time to feel like I could wire wrap a piece of jewelry on my own. So nevertheless, I kept practicing and kept practicing until my wire work started to change. Now I know you see this piece right here, and trust me, this is not how my work started out as I began to change and transition into wire wrapping. This is just a piece that I'm showing you of what you can do with wire, and what you can do with the cabochon, what you can do with the bead. This is just one piece. As I was practicing, I should have had this ready, but I didn't, and that's okay. I'm going to show you a piece that I did as I, kept practicing with my wire wrapping and how everything changed. So this piece right here is a piece that I did with wire wrapping. And it was a particular design that I had learned from an artist, and I love her work well. But it didn't speak to what it was I wanted to do or what it was I had to say as an artist. And don't get me wrong, this is a very beautiful piece and I really love it. But I am going to change it because my skills have changed, and I just want to see what it is I have to say. And so I made other findings and added some gemstones and made my own hooks and everything. And I was very happy with this piece, and I still am. I may change it, I may not change it, I don't know. That remains to be seen. So as time progressed, my wire wrap style changed a lot. As you can see, I added some purple in this design right here. And I started working with a lot of curves and ladder looks in my pieces and swirls and turns, and that's actually my favorite. And I learned to make my own bail, and you can see the wire design on the side here. And this is all 100% polymer clay. This is a piece that I made from an earring that I had in a gallery that was very ill-treated in the care of the gallery owner. And I'm not one to throw anything away. I didn't know how I was going to salvage the piece, but I wasn't going to throw it away because I like the design in the middle. This is a clay cane design that I came up with, and I really liked it. So I said, okay, let's find something else to do with it. And as my skills got increasingly better, this is what happened. This is what it came out to be. This is what it looked like, and I really like it. And this is from a piece of scrap clay. You might can tell, you might not can tell that it's scrap clay, but I love this the splash of color and, the pretty design that happened on its own from literally me just rolling it through the pasta machine, and I really was attracted to the way it looked, and I cut it out, and now it's a beautiful cabochon encased in my wire wrap design. And this looks more like a chandelier piece with Swarovski crystals attached to the end, and my little curly cues and my little ladder design. And I'll talk about this ladder design later on, but not right now. And you know, the wire weaving that I did on the design, which that's what we're going to start out with. We're going to start out learning the basic wire weaving steps before we even get to making a piece like this, or a piece that you can call your own. And this is another piece, and this is a leaf actually. This is a leaf actually, and I encased it in wire. So we will be doing plenty of wire wrap designs using cabochons and techniques that I'm going to show you. And I'm going to show you a picture of the very first piece that I successfully wire wrapped using natural copper and another stone that's really pretty. And stay tuned and look forward to the next series as it comes forth. Until next time, stay creative.